Namaskar. Welcome to Conversations with Rakesh. Here's today's question. Rakesh sir, I always notice that you're surrounded by books. What are you reading these days? Give us a few suggestions on good books on communication. My kind of question. For the record, I'm not a great reader. I do read, but ऐसा नहीं है कि I read and devour books. I am a slow reader. I also started reading very late in life. I think the first full book I read was at the age of 19 or 20, Godfather. College में पढ़ी थी. But then that really opened the door of life that I missed. So I'm reading few books. What I do is I read at least few books at the same time because I get bored very fast. But let's take your question. What are the books I'm reading on communication? Communication is a huge area. And today I want to cover two good books that I read recently on one essential foundation of communication, which is writing. And I'll tell you why writing is very, very important for all of you. That first of all, I know that AI and tools like ChatGPT and many more tools are taking away this big skill of writing, because when you use ChatGPT, it quickly gives you something that you can submit, like an email, a report, some sort of a summary, some sort of work that would earlier take hours, if not days to write. It has now become so easy that within 5 to 10 seconds, maybe half an hour, you're able to do a work that earlier somebody would do in days, like writing a summary of a book, writing a critical analysis on some topic. Emails, आजकल email marketing chat GPT से चल रही है. I myself have seen CXOs, vice presidents, managers, students, everybody using AI. In fact, there was this one email I got from a prestigious institution, and students invited me to give some sort of a lecture, and I could see that this email couldn't have been written by a human being. Very flowery English, bombastic language, completely जो चीज एक sentence में कही जाती है 4 paragraph. And I request all of you to take this very seriously, that if you have to become a great communicator, you must focus on good writing. And good writing is about thinking, vocabulary, putting it on paper. And अगर आप उसको shortcut कर दोगे chat GPT से, job मिल जाएगा. Maybe you will go somewhere in life, and I know you will. But I can tell you that writing has one important foundation for communication, because it allows us to think. It allows our mind to go in different direction. And that power of thinking is very important when we speak. So please sit down at least few minutes a day with a pen and paper and write down few sentences. And that becomes a great practice and discipline for you to become great communicators. Now, in writing, I particularly focus on non-fictional writing because that's the kind of world I live in. I've written books of non-fiction. My own book, What to Say, When to Shut Up, which you see behind me, is non-fiction. I don't think I'm a fiction writer. So in that, I'm going to focus my answer. The first good book that I encourage you to read, and I found it recently, is this. It's called On Writing Well by William Zinsser. And William Zinsser, sorry. It's a very good book for you if you want to understand the various nuances of non-fiction. And non-fiction writing is not just about management. Sports writing, journalism, critiquing movies and making reviews, all kinds of areas of non-fiction are covered really well. And I think he breaks it down into very simple methods. So it allows you to first think about words and sentences, then it allows you to think about your audiences, then it allows you to think about what are the various genres, and it gives a very good example of each of them with practical insights. So nice read, On Writing Well, William Zinsser. I think if you're a person who just wants to enjoy reading, nice book. And it has so much of information. and it has amazing, like my favorite part is this particular section, which is the forms. And he has listed, I think 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So some 10 forms, like non-fiction versus as literature, writing about people. How do you write an interview? Writing about places, travel. And nowadays everybody wants to become a travel blogger. There's a full chapter on it. Writing about yourself, memoir. And this can be very helpful for many of you who have retired and have so much to share. Write a memoir. Science and technology, my favorite, some of the most difficult pieces. Business writing, and I come from that world. Sports, arts, critics and columnists, and humor, very difficult chapter. And some of us write very well. In fact, I subscribe to the Hindu newspaper and the Mint Lounge on Saturday. They are my favorite. Saturday Mint Lounge and Sunday Hindu edition. And what good writing. And there are some people who really can make you laugh. Very difficult to do that. Travel, food, art, sciences, and these are all non-fiction. So this book really covers it very well. So some of you who really are looking at writing as a great form of expressing themselves and as a career, not bad. And I would encourage you to read that. So this is book number 1. The second book, which I just stumbled somewhere and probably picked it up, is a thin, small book. I like such books क्योंकि इसमें ज़्यादा दिमाग नहीं लगाना पड़ता. Like this one is a little heavy, दिमाग लगाना पड़ता है. And people like me can probably even get bored and put it down and sleep. This one is more tips and lists and techniques which are very practical. कि within 5 minutes कुछ समझ में आ गया. And this book is called 100 Ways to Improve Your Writing, and it is by Gary Provost. Very nice book. छोटी सी है और एक दिन में आप finish कर सकते हैं. But the best part of this book is that he has given various tips, and I'll just read out some of the chapters. So every chapter is like a list. 9 ways to improve your writing when you're not writing. 9 ways to overcome writer's block. I mean, many of us just stare, and that is a good chapter. 9 ways to save time and energy. 11 ways to make people like what you write. 10 ways to avoid grammatical errors. So very nice and practical. Everything is like a small paragraph, some how-to, some takeaway. And people like me who want shortcuts can be a very good book. The most famous other resource on writing is by David Ogilvy, 10 Tips on Writing, which is available online. And in that, he has given one more book, which is the Roman Raphaelson Tips of Writing. Very famous Bible for copywriters, advertisers, people who write for a living. And what we now need to do is write sharper, become more impactful in our words. Because of social media, the world is coming closer. So the words need to be very, very sharp. In that, your writing skills is going to be very important. And these 2 to 3 books that I suggested, which is Writing Well and 100 Ways to Improve Your Writing, can be good sources for you to begin how to write better. So start writing, publish it, wait for feedback to come. Ek din mein nahi hoga. Sometimes nobody will read it, but that's the whole program. That's the whole process of becoming a better writer. And on that note, stay safe.